So I needed to use the short post for this fan to keep it close to the ceiling. And when you get to the point where you have to basically almost blindly wire this stuff up, and you have to be able to, I have to be able to slide this box up into there with all the wires. This is an exceptionally more challenging than when it had the longer post on there. So I managed to get everything uncomfortably stuffed up into here as best I can. But now you've got these two screws right here that I need to tighten so I can tighten up this cup. And there's no real feasible way to get a screwdriver here because there's not enough gap here between the plates. So I think I might have to try to get just like a Phillips bit and just use my fingers to screw it in. I don't know, let's see what happens. All right, so basically I've got the small little bit here and I'm gonna and it is working, but it sucks. And then this little plate here, got little magnets. Surprisingly, these magnets are just kind of set in there. They're not even affixed or anything like that. So you can move those magnets around, or the magnets move around. And it's supposed to just go up there and cover those screws. So yeah, if you have to put the long, or if you got to put the short rod in there, have some fun with this step.
Okay, we'll turn everything off. Lights on. Fan on. Oh, actually we'll do one. Two. Three. 4. 5. 6. I'm going to put the sound off button. And I'll turn it to this windy one, which it cycles through different speeds. I pushed the button, you didn't hear the beep. I like to hear the beep.
Okay, that's level 1. That's 2. Three. 4. 5. See stuff moving on the floor. 6.
understand. Sometimes when
Shh. Can you turn the light off? Or does it dim or anything? I don't remember.